Bigyan natin ng opinion reaction itong post ng Newswatch 7 minutes ago, bago pa ito. Magandang balita ito para sa mga nagmamahal kay PRRD. House arrest for former President Duterte. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is urging the Senate to call on the government to pursue the interim release of former President Rodrigo Duterte, including negotiating with the International Criminal Court to place him under house arrest or a similar arrangement within the Philippine Embassy in The Hague, Netherlands. Okay, so medyo maganda ito. Ito, may inattach na draft ng Senate Resolution 20th Congress na ito introduced by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Resolution expressing the sense of the Senate to urge the Philippines to advocate before the International Criminal Court for the interim release of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, including inter alia, entering into an arrangement with the ICC to receive custody of PRRD in a form of house arrest or modified house arrest or any other appropriate arrangement in the premises of the Philippine Embassy in The Hague, Netherlands. Whereas, ito, maraming whereas, wag ko na lang isa-isahin yung whereas Punta na tayo sa, therefore, yung last part. Now, therefore, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved by the Senate of the Philippines to express the sense of the Senate to urge the Philippines to advocate before the International Criminal Court for the interim release of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, including inter alia, entering into an arrangement with the ICC to receive custody of PRRD in a form of house arrest or modified house arrest or any other appropriate arrangement in the premises of the Philippine Embassy in The Hague, Netherlands. Adopted, Alan Peter S. Cayetano. So, to me, magandang development ito. Sana ma-adapt ito ng Senado. Tatalakayin yan pag open ng 20th Congress sa July 28. I don't know, doon sa House of Representatives, merong, I don't know kung naipasa ba ito, nabasa ko lang. May House resolution naman opposing the interim release of PRRD. Grabe, no? So, ibang ko naman dito sa Senate kasi pag ma-adapt ito, maganda ito dahil ang Philippine Embassy doon parang house arrest ni PRRD. So, kung alanganin yung interim release ni PRRD, although hindi pa ito hintayin natin ang desisyon. Kung hindi yun maaprobahan na mag-interim release at pupunta sa isang bansa na tatanggap sa kanya, maganda ito dahil doon lang siya titira sa The Hague, Netherlands, sa Philippine Embassy. So, I don't know kung ano ang magiging resulta kasi depende na naman yan sa mga senador. I don't know how many senators are needed. Boto majority ba? 13 pa rin para ma-adapt ang resolution na ito. Kasi kung 13 lang, palagay ko, meron maraming maka-Duterting senador ngayon sa ano. Yun na lang, yung Duterte Black. 7 na yan. Bongo, Bato, Padilla, Marcoleta, Amy Marcos, magkapatid na Villar. 7 na yan. Plus yung ito, so magkapatid na Cayetano, 9 na yan. So 4 na lang. I believe itong magkapatid na Estrada, 11. Makapapayag din si Senator Subiri, Villanueva, o 30 na yan. Escudero. So, pagdasal po natin, magandang development ito dahil kung alin ang maunang ma-approve, kung alin ang maunang mapagbigyan na kailan, hindi ako nawawala ng pag-asa. Yung interim release niya, pagpatuloy natin ang pagdarasal. Kahit may objection ang opposition, ang prosecution, nothing is impossible in prayer. Pinaka-the best answered prayers natin pag makalabas siya, yung interim release. Or ito kaya, palagay ko makakapasa ito sa Senado, ma-adapt ito. But hindi na ako makasure kung ano ang, kasi ang mag-coordinate yung executive, presidente, DFA. So kung silang mag-aksyon, I don't know. But walang imposible sa dasal. Kanina may narinig akong speech ni Mayor Baste na kahit daw si PRRD nagbibigay na ng huling habilin, ano daw, huwag tayong mag-give up, sabi niya. Sabi ko, wow, galing naman ito. Kung ano daw yung pinaglaban ni PRRD, dapat tayo, we will push harder. Paglaban natin ng mas matindi para hindi masayang yung sakripisyo ni Tatay Digong, which is correct. Kaya, let's be optimistic. May magandang pangyayari at makakauwi sa atin bansa si Tatay Digong on or before 2028, yung yung masasaksihan niya yung pagbalik ng mga Duterte sa Malacanang, pag-upo ni BP Inday Sara sa Malacanang.